The reason why most planets in the universe are in a spherical shape can be explained by a concept called gravity. Force of gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls objects towards each other. It exists everywhere in the universe, and it depends on the mass of an object. The more massive an object is, the stronger its gravitational pull. Initial formation. When a planet forms, it starts as a large cloud of gas and dust in space. Over time, this cloud begins to collapse under its own gravity. As the cloud collapses, it starts to spin, forming a rotating disk. Equal distribution of mass. As the material in the disk comes together, gravity causes it to clump and merge. The material gathers closer to the center due to the strong gravitational pull. Eventually, the planet reaches a point where the gravitational force is strong enough to pull everything equally towards its center. Balancing forces. Gravity pulls the material towards the center of the planet, while the outward pressure from the material resists this collapse. As the planet grows, its mass and gravity increase, which intensifies the pressure towards the center. This pressure eventually balances the force of gravity, creating a stable structure. Gravity and shape. Gravity pulls equally from all sides towards the center of mass, causing the material to settle into a shape that maximizes the balance of forces. A sphere is the shape that achieves this equilibrium because it distributes the mass evenly in all directions. In a sphere, the gravitational force at any point on its surface is directed towards the center. Efficient use of space. A sphere is the most efficient shape for enclosing the maximum volume with the least surface area. This allows a planet to hold the most material within its gravitational pull while minimizing the surface area that interacts with its environment. Erosion and tectonic activity. Over time, natural processes like erosion, volcanic activity, and tectonic forces can alter the surface of a planet, giving it varied landscapes. However, the overall shape remains spherical due to gravity's influence on the mass distribution. Other factors. While most planets are generally spherical, variations can exist. For example, fast rotation or tidal forces from nearby objects can slightly distort a planet's shape. Additionally, smaller celestial bodies like asteroids and irregular moons may not have enough gravity to shape them into perfect spheres. In summary, the force of gravity pulls material towards the center of a planet, creating a balanced structure. A sphere is the shape that allows for the most efficient distribution of mass and gravitational forces. While other factors can introduce variations, the fundamental influence of gravity shapes most planets into spherical forms in the vast expanse of the universe.